everyone, I am Osima Biswal. In last class, I have already discussed about Hicksian substitution effect. In this class, I will discuss Shrosti substitution effect. First, Shrosti substitution effect for decline in price. Shrosti substitution effect is illustrated in figure 2 with a given money income and given prices of two goods as represented by the budget line PL. The consumer is in equilibrium at point Q on indifference curve IC1 and is buying OM amount of good X and OL amount of good Y. Now suppose the price of X falls, price of Y and money income of the consumer remaining unchanged. As a result of this fall in price of X, the price line shifts to PL dash and the real income or purchasing power of the consumer will increase. Now in order to find out the Shrosti substitution effect, consumer's money income must be reduced by the cost difference, or in other words by the amount which will leave him to be just able to purchase the old combination Q of the goods if he so desires. For this, a price line GH is parallel to new budget line PL dash. Okay, PL dash has been drawn which passes through the point Q. It means the income equals to PG in terms of Y. L dash H in terms of X has been taken away from the consumer. As a result, he can buy combination Q if he so desires, since Q also lies on the price line GH. Okay, actually he will not now buy the old combination Q, since X has now become relatively cheaper and Y has become relatively dearer than before. The change in the relative prices will induce the consumer to rearrange the purchase of X and Y. He will substitute X for Y, but in this Shrosti substitution case, he will not move along the same indifference curve IC1, since the budget line GH, which the consumer has to remain due to price income combination, is now have tangent to the indifference curve IC1. So the consumer is equilibrium at point S on indifference curve IC2 and is buying OK amount of good X and OW amount of good Y. Okay, this is the Shrosti substitution effect for declining price. Now I will discuss Shrosti substitution effect for rising price. Okay, the consumer is in equilibrium at point Q on indifference curve IC2 on budget line PL. When the price of good X rises, the budget line shifts to PL dash. Okay, PL dash. Now suppose that the price of good X rises, price of Y remaining unchanged. As a result of the rise in price of X, budget line will shift downward to PL dash and the consumer's real income or purchasing power of his given money income will fall. Further, with this price change, good X has become relatively dearer and good Y relatively cheaper than before. In other order to find a Shrosti substitution effect, in the present case, consumer's money income must be increased by the cost difference created by the price change to compensate him for the rise in price of X. In other words, his money income must be increased to the extent which is just large enough to permit him to purchase the old combination Q if he so desires, which he was buying before. For the budget line GH has been drawn which passes through the point Q. on indifference curve IC2. Okay, but in this case the consumer is not equilibrium at point Q due to increase price of good X. The consumer will be in equilibrium at point S on higher indifference curve and is tangent to point S on new budget line GH and is buying OP amount of good Y and OK amount of good X. This is the substitution effect for a rise in price. Okay, thanks for watching.